welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name is Paula, empty nester at 40. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you enjoy this video, and if you do enjoy this video and would like to see similar videos, DIY projects, please hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so that you're notified the next time I upload a video. All right, let's get started. I had previously made these wooden beads garland, wooden bead garland, I think that's what it's called, out of Dollar Tree wooded beads that you can buy. And I wanted to make a new set that goes with the color decor that I have for fall. So I'm going to take the larger size beads of that packet, and I'm going to paint those using this antique chalk paint, which is one of my fall decor colors. And the second largest sized beads, I am going to paint them using the Waverly Plaster chalk paint. Now, of course, I'm going to need my paintbrushes and I'm going to need some jute twine. So what I am going to do is I am going to take the end of the jute twine and I'm going to put a little bit of hot glue on the end and squeeze it together to make a narrow fitting piece so that it's easier for me to thread the wooden beads. I did have a little bit of difficulties doing that because I just wasn't getting enough glue, or getting too much glue, or I don't have enough glue on my glue gun. That always happens when I'm going to tape a project that I'm doing. Anyhow, once I get the tip done, I am going to thread all the beads. I'm going to do all the medium-sized ones first, and then I'm going to do all the large size beads. I do apologize that me trying to get the hot glue on the tip of the jute twine was out of the camera lens frame, but that's simply what I'm doing. I'm just trying to put a little bit of hot glue on the tip just so that I'm able to start stringing the beads. Once I have all the beads threaded, I cut them to separate them. Those are the large beads and these are the medium-sized beads. And now I'm simply going to paint the beads. I do end up doing 2 coats of paint on each string of beads. And I just simply, as you can see, I am just simply holding the string down on one end and with my paintbrush just painting over the colors. Like I said, I only had to do 2 coats for each strand. I thought that was pretty good given the vibrant colors of the beads originally. Now that the 2 coats have completely dried, you can see that the color actually took really well. And I am going to now grab a piece of sandpaper and sand the beads down just lightly, just to make sure that I'm getting any rough edges off of the wooded beads. Then I'm going to grab some jute twine and follow the same method I did previously, where I hot glue the tip of the jute twine so that I'm able to begin beading my wooden garland. The pattern that I'm going to follow is I'm going to do 2 medium beads, or the 2 plaster colored beads, followed by 1 large bead, 2 plaster, 1 large, so on and so on. Once I'm done with my pattern, I am going to then create those jute twine tassels, 1 for each end of my wood garland. Once I'm done forming my pattern, I am ready to tie the ends and begin to create my tassel. Now, I'm going to do 1 knot just so that the beads don't move, and then I am going to, my dog, then I'm going to make sure that I have enough string in order to loop the tassel through once I'm completed with creating it. I am going to wrap the jute twine around 4 fingers 10 times, and that is what's going. She is just ridiculous. She wants so much attention right now. German Shepherds, if you have one, you know what I'm talking about. So anyways, you wrap it 4 times, and then you have this circle shape, or it's more of an oval shape, and then you take the jute twine and you leave a little loop at the very top. Wrap your jute twine around. I'm going to hot glue it, and once you have that wrapped and hot glued and secured, you're going to cut the bottom area so that it forms a tassel, or it detaches from the loop, and then the top loop will be tied into the end of your bead. That wasn't explained very clearly. I hope you can see what I'm doing to better understand the steps I took. And here is my finished wooden garland. I hope everyone enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy this video, please hit that like button. Thank you. Until the next video.